Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a Target team member? Here's how to get and use your employee discount in store and online. In store, simply present your team member discount card or scan your wallet in the Target app at checkout to apply your discount. To add your discount to the Target app, go to My Target app, then select Settings, select Profile, then add your team member discount ID and save. On target.com, go to account, then select settings, then go to about me, enter your discount ID and hit save. At checkout, select add promo code. Under order summary, enter your team member number and apply it. Remember, your discount only works with Target jet cards, gift cards, pay cards, EBT, and other approved payment methods. And that's it. Enjoy your Target team member discount and happy shopping. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.